Dynamic routes are routes created from dynamic data. Simple as that. It's when you don't know the route segment name ahead of time. Dynamic routes are denoted by the file name in square brackets. So just like here in the docs. So in this case, if we want to create a dynamic route handler, we're going to follow that same path. So inside of our API directory, we created a folder called users. And inside of this folder, we created our dynamic route. We put ID. That's going to be the dynamic value that we create the route handler from. And we wrapped it in square brackets. So inside of this route handler, it's a simple get method. That's the only one that we're going to support right now. And instead of using the typical response request APIs, we're using the extended ones that Next provides us. So Next request and Next response. And the most important thing here are the params that we're getting. So these are values that resolve to a promise. So we have to use async await in this case. So in this case, we're just going to be passing in the ID as part of our params, but you can always pass whatever you want in here. You can get real complicated. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just passing the ID. So we simply await for the ID, again, because it resolves to a promise. And then we're just going to return a message saying that, hey, we did get the ID. In this case, you would probably want to be able to call an external API, do some extra stuff with it, fetch it or something like that. But in this case, we're just going to be returning a simple message. So if we open up our Postman app and we attempt to call this dynamic route handler, we should get our response back, right? So it was successful.